How to fix WeChat verification code not received. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WeChat's verification code not received. Now this can occur when you're trying to log in or sign up for your account on WeChat. To fix that, what you'll first do is we'll try to clear out the cache on WeChat. Now if you're on Android, that should be simple, but if you're on iPhone, head over to your settings and on your settings, go to General. Tap on General, and after you tap on General, there you will see iPhone storage. Tap on it, and on iPhone storage, you will need to locate your WeChat. After it loads, open up WeChat, and there you will see an offload app option. Tap on the offload option and then offload the app. After you offload the app, tap on reinstall to reinstall your WeChat. Doing that should clear out the cache on your WeChat. After doing that, try to ask for verification code again, and if you still don't get it, what you'll then need to do is head over to your app store to update your WeChat. Now updating your WeChat will fix any bugs and any issues that you have on the app, and that should ultimately fix the issue that's been causing you to not receive the verification code. So let's search for WeChat on our app store, and after you search for WeChat, if you see an update option instead of open, tap on update and update the app. Doing that should fix your issue. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.